Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Saving an email thread in Outlook lets you keep a permanent record outside your inbox. This is useful for projects, legal needs, or archiving important conversations. Here's how. First, open Outlook and find the email thread you want to save. Double-click the first email in that conversation to open it in a new window. This captures the entire discussion. Once open, click the File I tab in the top left. Then, select to print. In the Print dialog, find Printer. Instead of your physical printer, choose Microsoft Print to PDF from the drop-down. Adobe PDF is also a good choice. Select one of these virtual PDF printers. After selecting, click Print. Outlook will prompt you to choose where to save the PDF file. Give your file a clear, descriptive name, like Project Status Thread or Client Feedback Email. Click Save. This action converts the entire email thread, from the initial message to the final reply, into one single PDF document. You now have a complete, shareable, and accessible record of your conversation, stored outside Outlook.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.